Hello, Amazing All-Stars. Today is Friday, October 8th. Let's see what's on our calendar for the day. Wow, we found out yesterday that we had some acorns. Not only have we been dealing with apples, leaves, we now have acorns on our calendar. Let's find out what will happen on today's calendar. Dun, dun, dun. Whoa! Wait a minute. We have a chestnut and acorns? Oh my goodness. How many chestnuts do we have? One chestnut. And how many acorns do we have? You're right if you said 5. Wow! This calendar is really interesting this month. Let's add this information to our calendar collector. As we've continued to go through our collection, we have seen that today we had the big number, and I'll go back to it, the big number of 6. We had 6 different types of nuts on our screen. We had 1 chestnut and 5 acorns. Can you tell me a math story we can make using our number tree 1, 5, and 6? I'm listening. Good job, All Stars. Do you think you can help us make a math equation? We have the numbers 1, 5, and 6. So we could put 1 plus 5 equals that big number 6. Great job, All Stars. Great job. We have a lot to do today. It is time for us to go to our pattern blocks to figure out, how many blocks are we going to add to our pattern information? Here's what we've collected so far. This spinner is going to tell us how many shapes to pull from the side. Here we go. It landed on the number 4. It's so close, but it landed on the number 4. That means we're going to pull 4 shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. Wow. Lot of shapes here. Very, very cool. I'm going to say that because we're going to keep using this information to figure out how much we collect over time. And I noticed something. I have to say this. Look at our rhombus here. Our rhombus has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Oh my goodness. It has 4 sides. Just like a square. Right, just like a square. So when we think about our rhombus, it's a 4-sided shape. Some people like to call this shape a diamond. But I wanted you to see that information, All Stars. Great job. I do want to mention something to you. I want to challenge you with a new game today. I am going to actually use the same information we've been using to help make a group of 8, but your job is to tell me how many more I need to, maybe the last one on there, how many more do I need to add to it to make 10? If I have 8, if I have the number 8, 8 plus what? equals 10. Do you think you can help with that information? I hope you can. Let's try. Did you say 2? Wonderful. Good job. Let's try one more. Clear all of this out. Let's try another. What if I put 9 there? 9 plus something equals 10. Can you tell me what that number is? Fantastic. If you said the number 1. I have a job for you. I want you to continue to think of ways that you can make the number 10. What 2 numbers can you add together to make the number 10? We have one final thing to do. We are going to add on another day in school. Remember, we made it to the big number 25. We're going to add on another number. So now we have 26 days in school. I want you to look at this information and think, wow, I have 2 groups of 10 and 6 6 ones that are all by themselves. Let me show you this very quickly, and then we'll be all set. We have a group of 10 here. That's one group. Here's 2 groups of 10. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your job, All-Stars, is to think of ways, what math equations can you write that equal the number 26? Have fun. Enjoy.